In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Brevo, CRM, marketing, and automation tabs. First, log into Brevo using your account credentials. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, complete that step to keep your account secure. Once you're in, look to the left side of your screen. You'll see a vertical sidebar with different tabs. This menu is your main control center, and you'll use it to move between customer data, campaigns, and automated workflows. Start with the CRM tab. This is where your contacts live and where you organize them into lists and segments. Contacts are individual people, lists are broad groups you can send to, and segments are dynamic slices based on attributes or behavior, like location or engagement. Keep your contact fields clean and consistent so filters work correctly. When you create lists, name them clearly with a purpose and date, and archive old ones to avoid confusion. For segments, define simple rules, then preview who qualifies before saving. This ensures you're targeting the right people without surprises. Next, head to the Marketing tab. Here you can build campaigns, landing pages, and forms. For email campaigns, set a clear goal, craft a concise subject line, and always preview on desktop and mobile before scheduling. Use the content editor to keep text scannable and images optimized for fast loading. Landing pages should have a single, focused call to action. Remove distractions and match the page design to your email for a seamless experience. For forms, collect only the fields you truly need, explain why you're asking, and confirm that consent checkboxes match your compliance requirements. Finally, click the Automations tab. This is where you create workflows and email templates to run your marketing on autopilot. Start with a simple trigger like a new sign-up, then add steps such as waiting periods and follow-up emails. Keep messages short and helpful, and space them out to avoid fatigue. Use email templates to stay on brand and speed up production. Save a few variations so you can test subject lines or layouts later. Before turning a workflow live, run a test with a sample contact and check the timing, enrollment criteria, and exit conditions. With these three areas, CRM, marketing, and automations, you'll manage data, deliver campaigns, and scale engagement efficiently. Remember to save your changes as you go, and use clear naming for workflows, templates, and segments so teammates can find them later. If something doesn't look right, use previews and test emails instead of sending to your entire list. Explore, test, and iterate, and you'll get comfortable with Brevo quickly.